G'day guys, Cyril here with another technician's video. I'm just showing you guys the best way to fix a ARC dishwasher and a Blanco dishwasher. I've got a lot of problems with these dishwashers. The quickest way to fix it, right, is to do this. What you do is you just slide it out. You want to tilt it over and just chuck the motherfucker. That is the best way to fix it. Now you got a faulty Blanco dishwasher. It's not draining. The best way to fix him is to do this. Oh, you cocksucker. I'm Cyril, and that's another edition of How to Fix Dishwashers. Thank you.